Hello children, welcome back to my channel. So children, as you know that in the previous class we have studied about the chemical reaction. How does the chemical reaction takes place with the combination of reactants and we obtain products. Now today we are going to study types of chemical reaction, and in that the very first is your combination reaction. Now what is combination reaction children? A reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Means when two or more reactants combine to give a single product. Okay, when two or more reactants combine to give a single product, that is known as your combination reaction. If you have a CBSE book NCRT, you can see there in activity 1.4. In activity 1.4, what is done children? They have taken a beaker, glass beaker. In that they have taken the granules of calcium oxide, or you can say quicklime, and in that they have mixed a water. Okay, they have mixed a water. Fine. Now what is the reaction here? Calcium oxide plus water. Now you can see here two reactants are there. We have taken the granules of calcium oxide, that is also known as quicklime, plus we have taken water. Now we are going to touch this beaker, do we feel any change in temperature? Yes children, we are going to feel a change in temperature. We will feel little bit warmer. Why? Because when calcium oxide reacts with water, it gives us calcium hydroxide, okay, plus there is a release of heat energy. Heat energy is released. Okay, there is a change in temperature when calcium oxide react with water. So what we are getting? In combination reaction, two reactants are combining to give a single product which is known as your calcium hydroxide, plus there is a release of heat energy. Okay, and this calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime. It is also known as slaked lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide is also known as slaked lime. So I hope this is clear to you children. What is combination reaction? That when two or more reactants, okay, they combine to give a single product. When two or more reactants combine to give a single product, that is known as your combination reaction. Now there are many more examples of combination reaction children, like your burning of coal. Now you know coal is what? Coal is your carbon. Okay, so carbon, burning of coal, carbon plus oxygen. When you burn carbon in oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, you get carbon dioxide. This is also the example of combination reaction. Similarly, when formation of water, when two molecules of hydrogen combine with oxygen, it gives us 2H2O. So this is also your combination reaction, because here two reactants are combining to give a single product. Okay, यहाँ पर दो reactant combine करके single product दे रहे हैं, so it is your combination reaction. Now sometime what happened? There is a release of energy is also there in the combination reaction. Now burning of natural gas. What is your natural gas? Burning of natural gas, CH4. Okay, when CH4 is burned with oxygen, CH4 is burned with oxygen. Okay, so what do we get? CO2 plus 2H2O gas. Okay, there is a release of gas. This 2H2O is in the gaseous form. So this is also your combination reaction. Now children, reaction in which the heat is released. The reaction in which the heat is released with the formation of product is called exothermic reaction. Like here the heat is released in the form, this is your gas. So the reaction in which the heat is released in the form of a gas is known as your exothermic reaction. That reaction is known as your exothermic reaction. Okay children, exothermic reaction. The reaction in which the heat is released is known as your exothermic reaction. Now children, there is one more type of reaction, like energy is released, that is your respiration reaction. I hope you have studied in previous class also about the respiration reaction, where also the heat is released. Okay, what is respiration reaction? Let me tell you that also. Now respiration reaction, CH4 respiration reaction में C6H12O6, this is the formula for glucose, plus 6O2, this you have studied in the previous class also, gives us 6CO2 plus 6H2O, plus there is a release of heat energy. So this is all your respiration reaction. This is also your exothermic reaction because heat is released here. Okay. Now decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. So whatever the vegetable waste is there, okay children, that decomposition of vegetable waste is also your what? Combination reaction. Fine. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is an exothermic reaction, and exothermic reaction means it releases a lot amount of heat energy. I hope children this is clear to you about combination reaction, that when a single product is obtained from the reaction of two or more reactants. When two or more reactants combine to give a single product, that is known as your combination reaction. I hope children it is clear to you. Thank you.